Hey guys, just wanted to take a few moments to get you acquainted with our survey shared drive. And so there are a couple of resources in here that will be quite valuable to you. For starters, we have our district's survey report in here. And so you can actually compare your data to other campuses in the district, as well as see our grand totals for virtual and face-to-face students. Another resource in this drive, you will find the Stay Connected survey timeline. For example, our next survey will be released on November 30th, and that window for students will serve the times between December 14th through January 29th. So another really great tool in here, you will also have an opportunity to see the letters that we sent out to our parents. One for the letter for face-to-face, as well as the letter for e-learning instruction. And so these letters will give you a great indication as to what expectations we have for our parents. So for example, with our face-to-face students, we are asking that parents ensure that they do their self-screening each morning, that students bring whatever appropriate PPE. We are asking parents to make sure they place an emphasis on students washing hands and using sanitizer. Additionally, we're asking that parents ensure that their students bring their technology devices and their chargers to campus every day. And also, it will be really important for teachers to stress, as well as principals too, to stress to parents that they need to make sure that the student devices are charged overnight. But again, every day they'll need to bring their technology device as well as their charger. In addition to that, students will need to ensure that they bring their school supplies and textbooks, and as well, and finally, they need to make sure that they're dressing appropriately. So again, these letters will be in here, so you'll be able to see the exact verbiage that we send out to our parents. Another tool that's very helpful is, of course, the survey data itself, and you will see, for example, this is BAMO's data. So at the very top of your report, you'll see all your student names. And then right underneath that, you will see you'll see the face-to-face list first, and then you'll see your e-learning students second. And then at the very bottom, you will see a little cluster of students who, for whatever reason, the parent maybe abandoned the survey a little bit too early, or could have perhaps had some difficulty in getting the survey completed. So it will be a good idea for you all to give those parents a call to make sure that they can declare definitively if they are face-to-face or if they are e-learning instruction students. We want to make sure that they have every opportunity to make that selection. And last but certainly not least, I wanted to mention something that is really important when it comes to contact tracing. So per Mrs. Milner-Williams and Dr. Granger, they are wanting to make sure that all teachers are creating a seating chart. And so it's really important, it's imperative that every teacher creates a seating chart for every period that they teach. And also, if they're self-contained, then of course you'll only complete a seating chart for just that one class. But the next piece of this is really imperative as well. All teachers will be asked to upload their seating charts into the Google Classroom as a materials item. And we are also asking that you use the naming convention seating chart. And so under the Classroom Materials tab, you will just use insert or upload a seating chart for that particular period. So it may be seating chart, fifth period, seating chart, sixth period, and so on. And then the next thing I would like to point out regarding the seating chart is that principals will need to decide at the campus how they will ensure that teachers have uploaded those seating charts into the Google Classroom. So it's imperative that you establish a deadline and make sure that this takes place prior to the students returning. So for elementary students, that they will be returning on October 26th. So ideally, it would be ideal if you would establish a deadline of October the 22nd. And then with our students who are secondary, they will be returning November 2nd, and it would be ideal that their seating charts would be uploaded by October the 29th. So either way, We will spend some time wrapping back around to ensure that those seating charts are in place, because this is imperative to us keeping up with our contact tracing. And so, but again, at this time, that ends the overview of all of the information pieces that are in the survey shared drive. And this is Ms. Bell. And so if you have any questions or concerns or comments, or just need any assistance in any way, I'm here to serve you, and just let me know. Thank you. Have a great day.